Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun.
This is an Artist Loft 18 by 24 inch canvas and an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula from Good Grips, and some Mead and Black paint, which I am hoping to spread in puddles in sort of random and maybe abstract, no, definitely abstract. As long as I saw that thing get stuck in there. Let's see what it is. Get it out. Lumps are not welcome. So just any random dribbles for start. And we'll work from whatever that inspires me to do. I like that half round. And I like drag marks. I'm liable to do anything at this point, because all I feel like doing is spreading some paint. But when I start with white, I'm better off because I drag it out until it's really thin. And then it dries and I can put other colors over it. That is not the case with the black. I'm going to have to let it dry in its own good time. I might just spread some other colors that I've got. I've got some neon violet from a long time ago mixed with just Floetrol. And I think I want to just see what it'll do. As long as there aren't too many impedances in there, being old and all that. So my black has covered far more of the canvas than I anticipated, but that's okay. I can always add white. But I do want a fairly clean spatula to move that. So I'm going to use my studio sponge. So that's an interesting color. Not much of a color really. I like it though. So that's enough. I'm just going to fill in, and if I want to come back later and add more colors, I'll add white. And this might be stage one. Chances are very good it might be stage one. I'm going to throw a little tiny bit of tickled pink in there. I love scratching things. I can't help it. Alright, I'm going to try some white because I can. I'm going to put it where I can drag it to the edge. I like the dots. Alright, I'll start with that. Because I had the call to some Venetian blue. This is mostly for my own entertainment and fun and experimentation, so forgive me if I get lost in the process. I'm going to use some of that blue now. I like what's happening. I like the energy in this already. It makes me want to put Dancing Fuchsia down though. I don't know if this will show up over the black, but it might. So it's worth trying. Alright, I'm not done with that yet. And I'm definitely contemplating Dancing Fuchsia. Because why not? I don't mind that there's a little paint on the opposite side of that. That's really strong, which I should have known. I don't think it'll show up over the black, but it will over the lighter part that I'm going for. Gosh, some of it might. I want more white. I love this. This is fun. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I love it. I like that too. I keep being called to gold, but I'm thinking silver would be better. Not sure I like that. So we'll just change it up. I'm still being called to some orange. I don't know if I said that out loud. I was thinking it. I just lost a good spot right there. Wipe off my spatula again. Am I ready for orange? Maybe not. I kind of like that better. That's my own mix of yellow-orange. It's a strange effect, but it's kind of cool actually. Let's see what I've got. That was the stretcher bar I hit. Fortunately, with this kind of painting, I don't think it matters. I still want orange, I'm just not sure where I should put it. It's Orange Crush. Let's try a little bit. I think a little bit might go a long way. I want some more what? Some more what I started with. Oh, drip some paint. Just didn't like it right there. Still hearing the call to gold. In this case it would be golden iridescent gold. I think a little more tickled pink is in order. Yes, I like that. I've got red violet. Red violet always works for me. I'm a little nervous this time. I should have shaken it up too. Darn it. I like the randomness of that. I might be sorry I did that though. So I'm being called to another color and I'm not sure if I want cerulean blue. Maybe I do. Random organic shapes. Something I've been aspiring to. Rhapsody Rose. And then maybe some Snapdragon after that. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked, or you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.